Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I'm doing an unboxing of slimes. And that is called slimes. It's for Christmas. There's 7 different slimes, but they're literally the same thing. Just different colors. There's red and white. There's blue and white. Brown and white. Purple and white. Pink and white. And green and white. And that's supposed to be orange, but it's yellow and white. Okay, what colors should I start with? Let's do Christmas colors. Why not? These have a smell. That, that's not. I got it too. It's cold. This gonna turn into pink. I know it is. Oh wait, y'all can't see it because the box. Gotta mix it up real good so I can do it. Oh, my hands are gonna feel weird now. Oh, is it gonna turn pink? Can't tell. It still looks a little white in this. And again, there is snow in it. Cloud. Stretch. That is not doing what it's supposed to do. Okay. Yeah, this ain't gonna get a good rating either, like the other one. It is not doing what it's supposed to do. Nope, it ain't doing it. Wow. Nope. It turned red. It's all red now. And my hands feel weird. Let's see how the green is. So this is how the green one looks. Just stretching. And it's all the way green now. Just leave stuff on your hands though. There's a lot of white stuff on your hands. Let's try the blue. They all smell the same, so I'm not gonna smell this anymore. This stinks. I'm not gonna wait all these until I get done with them. That was not supposed to happen, but okay. Why is it doing that? This one might not even take. Okay, yeah, that's trash. That one's trash. So that's a 0. I'm going ahead and rate that one. That was a 0. Sure, this one feels better. It's just a blue one. I think it was just the blue one. Because all the other ones are taken now. The blue ones just didn't want to take for some reason. Let's see, does this one do it? Nope, don't do it either. These are not gonna get a gift rating. That one's done, no. Done. Pink, yellow, and purple, I think. This is the last one. Yep. Let's try purple. Are you staying or going in the trash? Probably going in the trash, not my luck. That's what it took. And none of them are doing what they're supposed to do. This is the purple one. Even though you can't kind of see, you can see a little bit back here, but not up there. That's the purple one. Let's do the pink. Let's see if it takes. I don't know. You can try. What we can do. I don't think it's going to. I don't know why are these taking some links. The blue one take. This one's stiff like the blue. Come on, take. Trying to get it to take. It's tearing like crazy. Yep, that's trash too. I would not take. Okay. Last one. The yellow one. Come on, take. Okay. Let's try this one. Just don't look. It's going to trash too. Okay. It took. Bright yellow. Y'all cannot see that on camera. So it's bright yellow. That's a pretty yellow. But it reminds me of a banana. Let's see. Will it do it? Nope. It will not do it. Okay. It's time to wait all over. I give it a 5 out of 10 on all of these. Because, for one, they leave stuff all over your hands. 2, they stink. 3, all of them didn't do it. So, yeah. 5 out of 10. They did come with drums. But I'm not going to put them in there right now. So, yeah. 5 out of 10. I do not recommend. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you want to get notifications for when I post, put the notifications on for more videos. And comment below what y'all want to see. And I'm sorry that you can hear my son in the background. But yeah, He's over there watching his tablet on Netflix. So, bye for now. Just comment what y'all want to see in the future.